Hey up, it's Leigh, and welcome back to Basic AF Week 3. Today we are doing something that most business advice will skip over because it's not shiny enough, and that is capacity mapping. Because if your business plan only works when you are fully rested, the kids are magically self-sufficient, your body isn't flaring, your brain isn't doing that nope thing, then the plan isn't just ambitious, it's goddamn delusional. And delusion is expensive. Here's the difference that is going to change everything. Stretch capacity equals your best week. High energy, no curveballs. Stable capacity is your meh kind of week. Normal life, mixed energy, and real responsibilities. We build business on the stable capacity. If it only works on stretch capacity, it's not a plan. It's a burnout pre-order. So let's break down how to do this. Grab your pen and whatever you can find to write in or on, or use your phone's app. Step 1. Name the real time container. Answer this one honestly. On a meh week, I can give my business X amount of hours. Not what you think you should be able to do, what you can actually repeat every week without collapsing. If you don't know what that is, start smaller than you want to. You can always scale up. Scaling down after a burnout, way harder. Step 2. Identify your energy pattern. Pick the one that best matches your life. Are you a sprinter? Short bursts and then need recovery. Are you steady, consistent and prefer routines? Do you work in waves? Good days and bad days depending on health, hormones and responsibilities? Or are you like me and a little bit unpredictable? Your capacity can change fast. You can go from a 10 to a 3 in 2 minutes. You might have complex needs, live with chronic pain, just have general life stuff that's hard to deal with. This isn't a label, it's a design input. Step 3. Choose your operating system. Just for the next 4 weeks, pick one of these, a 2-block week. 1 block is spent on visibility and sales, 1 block on delivery and building. Less brain switching, great if you get overwhelmed easily. How about micro sprints? 15 to 30 minutes a day. Great for ADHD and low executive function. Or power day and recovery. 1 longer session with lighter days afterwards. This is good if you can only protect 1 chunk of time, like if you work a 9 to 5 and only have 1 day a week off. Flexible bursts and an anchor. You work when you can, but you keep 1 weekly anchor. That 1 post that you put up, no matter how bad things are. Anything on top of that is just a bonus. Step 4. Buffers, where sustainability actually lives. Buffers aren't nice to have. They're load bearing. You might remember these examples from last week. 48-hour response window. No calls on a Monday. No work after school pickup. Only 1 hour of admin. 1 protected rest day, which you really should have that. And a flare-up mode plan ready to go. This is important. It's a quick reality check. You need to split the time in your business so that it doesn't starve. Your business needs to have visibility, which is being seen, sales, which is inviting people and following up, and your delivery and build, serving or creating your thing. A simple split might be to do 30% visibility and sales, 50% of your time on delivery and build, and 20% on admin. If you only work on the business and stay 100% in build mode, and you never invite people in, you're going to stay busy and broke. This week's task: write your capacity map, your stable hours per week, your energy pattern, the operating style that you're going to try, the 2 constraints that you're living with, and your 2 buffers. Bare minimum action for a hard week. CTA. We love these things, right? This is the invite. If you'd like to get some feedback, you can post your capacity map in the BBS Saturday thread for episode 3. Join Business Basics for Success, and you will get all the extras that go with this. If you're struggling to get it all down and out of your head, you can grab the week 3 walkthrough worksheet in the Basic AF classroom inside of BBS. Anyway, that's it for this week. Short and sweet.